Good morning to everyone. This is a topic of total quality management of how to get a success in a business. So, that is nothing but we just saw many more things related to how to get good improvement in the organization and also the different ways to get the success. This is the topic which is very important for your examination. So just listen. This will be as a very easy one, but you just listen once, then it will be easy for you. So this is the basic of a TQM. So what is the TQM? Total Quality Management. So for this TQM, we need 8 different things to get a very good success. So first one is focus of a customer. So the customer focus is very important. So what they are telling, satisfaction of the customer. So which is, we can say in one word, the satisfaction of the customer is very much important to get a good success in a business. So we just want the satisfaction of a customer to get a good result. Then, to maintain the total quality in an organization, then we need employee involvement. So, what does mean by as an employee involvement? Each and every employee in an organization should be as a involved, should be in involvement, because without anyone's involvement, we can't able to make a good organization. So, everyone's involvement is important to get a success in the development of the organization. Then process centered. So this is a somewhat different, we can't be able to understand, because this process centered means if anything is going good or if anything is in a very good manner, then we have to take it in a centered place like this. That means you have to make it as a better way, or we have to create that created processes in a very centralized manner. For example, if anything is going very good or anything is in a good way, then you have to show it up. If anything is to be given as a different ways to solve, then you have to centralized the process. So some of the things are happening here which is in a good way, then you have to centralize the process, which is also very important. Then integrated system. So integrated system means the system which is going to be increasing or integrated, or it is going to be in a good way by giving some hard work. So that is going to be explained in this integrated system. So because of this integrated system, definitely the organization will go and will get growth of the organization will also get in an improved manner. Then strategic and systematic plan. So this is a very important thing. By using this strategic and systematic plan, we can be able to maintain a small goal to achieve it. So for a small goal itself, we have to create a plan. By using the plan only, we can able to get the success. So strategic means constantly maintain a step by step manner to achieve the importance. Then systematic. So after that, this only will come. So that systematic plan is also very important. Then continuous improvement. Don't be as a stagnized one, okay? So just improve yourself, or improve the improvement of the organization is important. So whatever may be that, we should improve ourselves. That is very important. So that is only giving as a continuous improvement which is to be given. Then this is a fact-based system. Fact-based decision making. That is already something will be as a good in the organization itself. Then we have to take it as an example. That is called as a fact-based decision making. Then based on this fact-based decision making, we can improve the quality of a product. So the fact-based decision making is also very important to maintain this total qualities management. Then communication, the last one. So without communication, we can't able to do anything. So communication means not of communicate in English or in Hindi, like that language is not coming here. Okay, so communication between the employees is must, because an employee have an idea about anything, then the employee without any fear, he could say, he or she could say the things. So for that we need a communication. So for the manager or the employees, communication is need. So without communication we can't rectify any problem. So communication is needed. It must be in any language which is knownable in the organization. So for this 8 those things we can able to get a good result. So for this only the one of the master of William Demings created a thing that is called as a PDCA cycle. We just saw that earlier itself. So by using the plan, do, check and act, we can able to make the 8 things, make these 8 things in a easy way. So first the step is going given as a plan. So after that you have to do, then plan means for a small thing itself we have to plan itself. So without plan we can able to succeed. So plan, after that plan, based on the plan you have to do the work. Then we have to check whether whether that work is correct or not. You have to check or monitor, that is the important thing. After that we have to act for that. So if everything is correct, then you have to implement it. So implementation is 2, and after checking we have to give it in a correct way. So this is small steps of 4 step which is given by the PDCA cycle. So we can able to make the organization as a good way. So study it well. This question is also important. Thank you.